child, Paul Sampleton Jr., was murdered as a result of a plotted home invasion. Paul was a 14-year-old freshman who attended Grayson High School. He had his whole entire life snatched from him in an instant as a result of this home invasion and senseless gun violence. Recently, I had a friend who told me I was angry. Initially, I took offense to this because as an African American female, we have commonly been labeled to be angry. But after I thought about it further, I realized, yes, I'm angry. I'm angry my son didn't get a chance to graduate. I'm angry my son didn't get a chance to get his driver's license. I'm angry my son will not get a chance to attend college or be a father or a husband. I'm angry that so many families are having to bury their loved ones as a result of gun violence. As a Georgian, you should be angry too, that gun violence has claimed thousands of lives in our state. You should be angry that nearly 3,000 Georgians were shot and killed, and nearly 4,000 Georgians have died by suicide with a gun within the last 5 years.